One of the most important reasons why people fail in real estate is because they don't have a good team. One of the most important aspects of your team is going to be local real estate agents and or wholesalers or other people that can bring you deals. That way you can add them and keep growing. So the next important piece is a good property manager. They're going to make sure your property is managed properly, you have tenants in there, you're receiving your money so you can focus on bigger and better things. Another important part of your team is going to be contractors. They're going to be able to handle all your maintenance that your tenants cause. If you're buying good deals, the deals are likely going to need some work done to them. They're going to be able to go in there, rehab the properties, and get them ready to either sell or put tenants in. One of my favorite sayings is never trust a lender. So make sure you have a few that you have good relationships with, just in case one can't take down this deal, you've got another one who can, and you never miss an opportunity. One of the biggest advantages to buying real estate and holding it, taxes. So you want to have a good CPA to help you take advantage of all the benefits that real estate can provide for you. And last but not least is a good lawyer to make sure all your contracts are safe and sound, and if anything goes wrong, they're there to protect you.